What's good, YouTube? What's good, people? What's going on? How is everybody doing? How everybody doing out there? I guess you guys have had a wonderful trading week and a wonderful trading month of July. And I guess we're using this weekend to prepare ourselves for the next trading week. This your boy Harlem, and I'm back with another video. Today's video gonna be our outlook for the coming week. I'm not sure what date it would be, but for the coming week, make sure you guys like, subscribe, share, and turn on the notifications so you can get notified every time I upload new videos. And to sign up with the broker that I use, Quick Trade, and to mostly never mind or pay attention to everything in my background, but to focus on my sound and me because my family's around and I have a party in my blog. So they don't have to stop us from doing what we have to do, and I won't stop them from doing what they have to do. So let's hop in. So looking at the structure of the NAS, you can clearly see that price has kind of created some sort of support, right? Price has kind of like created some sort of support. With that being said, or with price creating support, we have price creating this intraday high, forgetting about this higher high, right? So when you now see that prices already reacted off of our support, not once, but kind of like three times, and kind of like pushed to the upside, all we're now looking for now outlook is that we now have a higher high, this intraday high the price is created when it kind of like reacting off this higher high. My trade idea is to continue bullish above highs and be bearish below. Like I say, we're having a higher high. If price breaks above, then I still look to continue bullish. But because price created a high and reacting off this previous high, we might be having some sort of double bottom, some sort of double top, then to look to be what? To be bearish based on price continuing bullish above highs to be bullish with price willing to break this higher high, creating some sort of double bottom and look to be bearish below, and that will be it. So that's my take on the NAS. The NAS is kind of tricky for now, but if you pay attention to price action and to technical analysis, you might get what you're looking for. Looking at gold. So gold, same thing as the NAS. Gold has kind of like created some sort of what? Some sort of support, right? Gold has created some sort of support with now price having this bear engulfing candlestick, which broke below off of our support and price creating a low and breaking above again off of our support. All I'm now looking for or waiting for in my trade idea is to continue bullish above support. Long as price is still above support, then I'll still look to continue bullish based on price creating support. But if it happens that price trades below, then I would look to be bearish on gold, and that will be it, because gold is also kind of tricky, but you need to pay attention to price action and technical analysis. So I'm looking to be bearish below the support, and I'm looking to be bullish above the support, and that will be it. Looking at German daily. So German 30, I won't chop it up that much, or I won't say much on German 30, but let's remember that price has created this all-time higher high. Price created this higher high, which was sitting at 16,431, right? And looking at our current price has kind of like reacted once off of our support, off of our higher high, and fortunately broke above to end the week. So all I'm looking for now in my trade idea is to just continue bullish above higher highs, right? Like you already know that prices broke above of that higher high, right? With price breaking above off of that higher high, all we're now looking for now is, long as it still trades above higher highs, then we still look to be bullish, long as price is creating new highs and respecting previous highs. You get me, people? And that will be it, right? So looking at USD. So USD, I don't have a trade idea, but the reason being is that you can clearly see that price has reacted, has created this intraday resistance and broke above and started creating this intraday support and created this high, with now price breaking out and breaking back in off of the support. All I'm now looking for is to just continue bullish long as price is still trading above the zone. But if it happens that price trades below, then we simply look to be bearish, and that will be it. Do you guys get me? Do you guys get me? Do you guys follow me? Looking at USD CAD. So USD CAD, I won't chop it up that much, or I can't say much, but you guys remember that USD CAD kind of like created this intraday resistance or this intraday highs, right? And looking at our current price, we kind of like broke above of the intraday highs or our intraday zone or resistance. All we're now looking for is to just continue bullish above resistance. Long as price is still above this resistance, then I still look to continue bullish. But if it breaks below, then I would look to be bearish based on price reacting off of our resistance not once, based on price created resistance and tapping on resistance not once, will be bearish. But long as price is still above this resistance, respecting resistance, creating new support, then I'd look to be what? To be bullish, and that will be it. Looking at Tesla, does go up on a Tesla, but the nigga starts going down on the markets. But now they're going up. So looking at Tesla, you can clearly see that prices also created this kind of like support, right? And created this higher high and had this gap, which led price into moving to the downside and coming back to our support, reacting off of our support, creating the current market price double bottom. So all I'm now looking for in my trade idea is to just continue bullish above support. Long as price is still above support, then I'll look to continue bullish. But if we break out or break below, then I'll look to be bearish. But if I had to take my buys, now I'm giving you guys a bonus. You can clearly see that prices had a push phase and created this low and created this high, came back to the previous low. All I'm now looking for now to continue bullish, it's that if it happens that price breaks above this highs, with price breaking above this highs and a retest, to continue moving to the upside based on price creating this double bottom, breaking above the highs and looking to continue or move to the upside, and that will be it. Do you guys get me? Looking at Bitcoin. Bitcoin, I won't say much, or I don't have a trade idea. I'm just waiting for confirmations, because when you clearly guys remember that Bitcoin is kind of like above our major sell zone or our major resistance, right? We're trading above this resistance. We are currently above this resistance. All I'm now looking for or waiting for in my trade idea is just that if it happens that price breaks below off of this if it happens that price trades below off of this resistance, that I'd look to continue bearish. But if it happens that price breaks off of this resistance, creating some sort of support, then I'd look for a reversal and look to be bullish. But I don't have a trade idea. That's what I'm waiting for. That's why I say wait for confirmation. Looking at Ethereum, or even on Ethereum, I don't have a trade idea, because you can clearly see how Ethereum is moving. Prices created this highs, right? Price created this highs with a breakout and a breakout, currently with a break back in. We have this lows that price has created, right? We have this lows this price has created, right? And you can clearly see that price is reacting off the lows. Price is reacting off the lows. All I'm looking for now, because I don't have a confirmation, is to that long as price is still trading above those lows, then I'll be bullish. You get me? But if it breaks below the lows, then I'll be bearish. But at the same time, price is kind of like creating this intraday bullish channel. So all I'm looking for now is to just be bullish right there and be bearish below. And if it turns bearish, then we have a bear flag and a break of our lows and look to continue moving to the downside, and that will be it, right? Looking at Litecoin, because nigga life to Litecoin now, I won't say much because price is above our resistance at our current price, right? And price being above a certain zone, we continue bullish, right? If prices are below that certain zone, we be bearish. So my trade idea is to that I'm looking to be bullish above zone. Long as price is above, then I'll be bullish. But if it's bearish, if it's below or break below, then I'll look to be bearish, and there will be it. Not looking for much, not looking for less, right? Last but not least, we're having oil. So oil, when you guys remember in our previous week, we did say that we'll continue bullish above this very same zone, right? Long as price is above, then we continue bullish. But if it breaks below, then we'll be bearish. So you can clearly see that prices reacted off this zone and moved to the upside, right? So all we're now looking for now, because we are heading to our other zone, and my trade idea is to be bullish above. With a breakout, then I'd look to be bullish. Fail to break, then I'd look to be bearish, and that will be it. Not looking for much, not looking for less. I hope you guys clearly see that I don't complicate my trading. I don't add too much confluences, or I don't base too many reasons as to why I have to buy or why I have to sell. I just look at price action and technical analysis, and I add that cherry on top with my own experience, looking or anticipating what might be happening next. Without further ado, that's my trade idea. This is what I'll be looking for. Don't forget to like and subscribe and share, and to turn on the notifications so you can get notified every time I upload, and to use the links on my description to sign up with the brokers that I use, or to use the numbers or the email on my or the Gmail on my description to get a hold of my Forex terminal or to get a hold of my Forex package. Without further ado,